Okay, I got my roof cleaned off. Took a pressure washer to it yesterday and some simple green cleaner as the website recommended. Tried to get as much as the old paint or whatever was on it off. So I need to caulk and then do the Rubik's caulk around this vent area and around some of the other spots. So we'll see how it goes. I plan on covering all of that right there too, so that way you get a comparison of before and after. Here's my 1998 Coachman truck camper. I'm getting ready to use the Magic RV seal, so we're going to try this out. I just took the vent cover off of that. It's pretty bad. I had a bunch of silicone around it and it was starting to get a little soft here. So we're going to go back with RvRoofMagic. I'm going to wash it really good and then put it on. So let me get it washed. Okay, so it's washed. I put the RvRoofMagic all over any place where I felt like it would need it, around the vents, on the sides, down the seam on this truck camper. It goes on an 8-foot bed. It took about 1 3/4 of the caulk. I wasn't sure if I was going to make it, but it spread real good. I'm really impressed with it. It seemed to seal like really good. So I'm ready to paint. Okay, it hasn't been a full 24 hours yet, but painted this yesterday. Pretty impressed with it. It seals really good. I got a few bugs stuck to it. This one's still alive, but anyway, it's looking really good. I think I'm gonna need a second coat. There's a couple areas where you can tell it didn't cover, or something happened there, right there too. So I probably didn't get the coverage that I wanted. So I had enough. I only went through half of a 5-gallon can, and I'm gonna put another coat on it. So I'll take another video after the second coat. Okay, so here's my RV roof from RvRoofMagic. I'm really liking this stuff. It's been 24 hours and we got a rain last night, and you can see, maybe you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but it bubbled up pretty good. I mean, the rain just sits right on it. Looks really good. Just wipes right off. So I'm liking it. Still got to get the bugs off. Got a few bugs stuck to it. I'm gonna put a second coat on it, but right now I'm really liking the first coat. But I have enough left, and I can't get the can sealed really well. So I want to go ahead and put another coat on it and be done with it. I got quotes on this for like $2,000 to $3,000, and this seems to be well worth the money. Okay, here's the final RvRoofMagic. I put my second coat on there, went pretty thick. Found it was easier just to pour it and push it around with the roller. So it went pretty quick on the second coat. Really pleased with it. Looks great. Thanks, RvRoofMagic.